Hi, I'm Dr. Suvarchila, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Who needs IVF treatment for pregnancy? This is a very important question. In vitro fertilization is an assisted reproductive technology that helps individuals and couples conceive when they encounter difficulties with natural conception. There are various medical and personalized reasons that may lead to a person or a couple to consider IVF as a treatment. Let's look at conditions where a person might need IVF treatment for pregnancy. The first is infertility due to medical conditions. There are ovulatory disorders that we need to discuss. Conditions such as polycystic ovarian syndrome or irregular ovulation can make it difficult for women to conceive naturally, and IVF can help by bypassing many other fertility issues related to ovulation. Fallopian tube issues are also involved. Blocked or damaged fallopian tubes can prevent sperm from reaching the eggs or the fertilized egg from entering the uterus. IVF allows for direct transfer of embryos into the uterus. Endometriosis is also a condition. This condition occurs when tissue similar to the lining of the uterus grows outside the uterus. It can potentially cause pain and fertility challenges. IVF can be a very viable option for those with endometriosis who have difficulty conceiving. We also should discuss about uterine factors. Structural abnormalities of the uterus or conditions like fibroids can impact fertility, and IVF can be a very good choice, especially if surgical correction is not feasible or if multiple failed surgeries have also occurred. Male factor infertility is also considered for IVF. Conditions such as low sperm count, poor sperm motility, or abnormal sperm morphology can reduce natural conception chances, and IVF treatment enhanced with intracytoplasmic sperm injection, which is where a sperm is injected directly into an egg, can increase the chances of success in such cases. Advanced maternal age is also something that needs to be talked about. Women over age of 35 may experience a decline in fertility due to decreased egg quality and quantity. IVF can enhance the success of conception by allowing for selective use of the best quality embryos. Unexplained infertility is also one of the conditions. In some cases, couples may experience infertility without a clear medical reason. After undergoing infertility assessments and finding no specific cause, they may opt for IVF as a solution. Genetic concerns are also involved. Couples with known genetic disorders may turn to IVF with pre-implantation genetic testing to screen embryos for genetic conditions before transferring them to the uterus. This can reduce the risk of passing on inherited diseases. Previous IVF failures. Patients who have previously undergone unsuccessful IVF cycles may choose to try again, exploring additional factors or other IVF protocols to improve their outcomes. These involve MACS, microfluidics, intracytoplasmic sperm injection, IMSI or pre-implantation genetic testing. So a number of enhanced procedures can help you improve your results after you've had previous IVF failures. Health conditions also impact fertility outcomes, and you may consider IVF under such conditions. Certain health conditions such as autoimmune diseases, diabetes or significant hormonal imbalances can affect fertility and may lead to individuals aiming for IVF in such circumstances. Some individuals or couples may have an urgent desire to conceive due to medical conditions such as cancer that may risk their fertility outcome. So IVF can provide a means to achieve pregnancy in a time-sensitive manner as well. IVF is a valuable option for many individuals and couples facing infertility challenges, whether due to medical conditions, age, genetic concerns or personal circumstances. It can be important for those considering IVF to genetic concerns or personal circumstances. It's important for those considering IVF to consult with a qualified fertility specialist who can guide them through the evaluation process, discuss their options, and develop a personalized plan. To know more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.